in the name of God, the most beneficent and the most merciful. In previous lecture, we have learnt about remainder theorem, that is your exercise 2C. Today we will start with exercise 2D. It is based on factor theorem. Factor theorem is if px is a polynomial of degree 1, degree 1 इसलिए है, degree 0 होगी तो constant polynomial हो जाएगा, okay, and more, then let alpha be any real number. Real means irrational या rational दोनों ही हो सकता है. Then p alpha, जब expression में alpha रखेंगे, अगर उसकी वैल्यू 0 आ रही, that means remainder 0 आ रहा है, then x minus alpha is a factor of px. Then x minus alpha is a factor of px. अगर ये given है क्वेश्चन में कि x minus alpha is a factor of px, then remainder will be 0. हमने पिछली बार रिमाइंडर थ्योरम में क्या करते थे, gx निकालते थे, gx को हम 0 रखते थे, फिर x की वैल्यू निकालते थे, p x में उठाकर रखते थे इस वैल्यू को, जो एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू आती थी वो हमारा rx होता था. दिस वाज योर रिमाइंडर थ्योरम. ओके, यहाँ पर जो रिमाइंडर है फैक्टर थ्योरम में और रिमाइंडर थ्योरम में सिर्फ इतना फर्क है कि फैक्टर थ्योरम में रिमाइंडर हमेशा 0 होगा. कोई भी नंबर जब किसी का फैक्टर होता है, जस्ट लाइक 2 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 6, तो अगर आप 2 को 6 से डिवाइड कराएंगे तो आपका रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. तो रिमाइंडर 0 का मतलब है 2 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 6 और 6 इज कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल बाय 2. ठीक है, फैक्टर थ्योरम यही कह रही है कि इफ पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 1 और मोर एंड लेट अल्फा बी एनी रियल नंबर, यहाँ जो आपका रियल नंबर आ रहा है, तो p अल्फा, p में वैल्यू रखेंगे, जब वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल निकालेंगे, इफ इट इज 0 देन x माइनस अल्फा विल बी दी फैक्टर ऑफ px. और इफ x माइनस अल्फा इज अ फैक्टर, ये फैक्टर है, देन रिमाइंडर विल बी 0. This is your factor theorem. Now let's start with the exercise. This is your question number 1. Using factor theorem, show that gx is a factor of px. This is your px, x cube minus 8, and gx is x minus 2. So as I told you, it is same as remainder theorem. Remainder theorem में क्या करते थे हम, gx को 0 के बराबर रखेंगे, x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, x minus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to 2. x की वैल्यू को हम px में रखेंगे, मीन्स p2 निकालेंगे, 2 cube minus 8, 2 cube is 8 minus 8 is 0. That means value of the polynomial p2 is 0. ये रिमाइंडर होता था, रिमाइंडर is 0. This shows p2 is equals to 0. This is your rx. Remainder is 0. Therefore, gx, that means x minus 2, is a factor of px. Question number 4. Px is given and gx is given. Now they are saying you have to show that gx is a factor of px. We will put gx is equals to 0. Then we will find the value of x. X will be minus 2. We will find p minus 2, value of the polynomial, minus 2. Negative number, power is even, answer will be positive. Minus 2 का square is minus 12. Both numbers are negative, same sign always, add. p minus 2 is equals to 0. This is your remainder actually. If remainder is 0, then it means, therefore gx is a factor of px. Question number 9. px and gx both are given. So first start with value of x. We will find x is equals to root 2. Negative है, first हो जाएगा तो will be positive. Now we will find p root 2 in In place of x, we will put root 2, 7, root 2 square minus 4 root 2 into root 2 minus 6. Root 2 square is 2, 7 2s are 14, minus root 2 into root 2 is 2, 4 2s are, again both are negative, same sign always, at. This is the value of p root 2. That is actually your remainder. If remainder is 0, that means gx is a factor of px. Question number 12. Find the value of k for which x minus 1 is a factor of this expression. In this question, it is given that this is a factor of this. So as I told you in factor theorem, this is a factor of this expression means remainder is 0. It is given. Remainder 0 f. Okay. So this is your gx and this is your px. The first step is to put gx is equals to 0. Gx means x minus 1 is equals to 0. You will find the value of x. 1. You will put this value in p1. You will find the value of p1. Our expression is 2x cube. In place of x, we will write 1. It is 1 cube plus 9, 1 square plus 1 plus k. It is equals to 0. This is given. Because they are saying x minus 1 is a factor of this expression. It is given. You will write here using factor theorem. 1 cube is 1, 2 ones are 2, plus 9 ones are 9, plus 1 plus k is equals to 0. 12 plus k is equals to 3. And k is equals to, they said you to find the value of k. K is equals to minus 12. 15, same as question 12. In question 12, they said find the value of k. Here they are saying find the value of a, for which x plus 2a is a factor of this expression. It is given that this is a factor of this. That means remainder is 0. It is given in this question. So gx is equals to 0 रखते हैं. Gx is x plus 2a. It is equals to 0. Value of x will be minus 2a. इस x की वैल्यू को हम px में रखते हैं. p minus 2a we have to find the value of the polynomial. X की power 5 means minus 2a की power 5 minus 4a square. x की जगह minus 2a का cube. It is equals to 0. This is given in this question. Now solve this expression. Minus negative number, power is odd, so answer will be negative. 2 की power 5 is 32. A 5 minus 2 cube odd है, so it will be minus 8. 2 cube is 8. Negative का odd है तो negative will come a cube. Into minus is minus 2 2s are minus into minus is plus 4 8s are 32. A की power 2, a power 3. Basis same, powers will be added, so you will get a की power 5. Minus 4a plus 2a, it will be minus 2a. Different sign always we do subtraction. बड़े का sign आएगा because minus 4 is greater. Plus 3 is equals to 0. Plus 32 a की power 5 and minus a 32 will be cancelled with each other. So you will have minus 2a plus 3 is equals to 0. A will be 3 upon 2. This is your answer. Question number 19 is saying if this has x minus 2 as a factor, मतलब इससे जब हम इसको डिवाइड कराएंगे तो we will get 0 as a remainder, is as a factor of this. x माइनस 2 फैक्टर है इस एक्सप्रेशन का, इसका ये मतलब है कि जब x माइनस 2 से इसको हम डिवाइड कराएंगे तो we will get 0 as a remainder. This will be your first gx. Because further question is saying leaves a remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3. उन्होंने कहा सेम एक्सप्रेशन को जब हम x माइनस 3 से डिवाइड कराएंगे देन वी विल गेट 3 एज ए रिमाइंडर. तो पहले उन्होंने x माइनस 2 से डिवाइड कराया है तो रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. जब हम x माइनस 3 से डिवाइड कराएंगे तो रिमाइंडर इज गिवन. ओके, एंड देन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड b. तो फर्स्ट केस में वी विल यूज फैक्टर थ्योरम बिकॉज दे आर सेइंग इट इज एज अ फैक्टर, एंड सेकंड केस में वी विल यूज रिमाइंडर थ्योरम. ओके, so in first case px is and our gx is gx को हम 0 रखते हैं, x की वैल्यू निकालते हैं, x की वैल्यू से हम पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू निकालते हैं is equals to 0. this is given. This is your equation number 1. Now second case, they said if we will divide the same expression by x minus 3, we will get remainder as 3. x minus 3 को हम 0 रखेंगे, x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, एक्सप्रेशन में रखेंगे, वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल निकालेंगे. It will be equals to 3. It is given in question. Using remainder theorem. Here we had used using factor theorem. Find the value. You will get another question that 9a plus 3b is equals to minus 30. This is your equation number 2. We will find the value of one variable from here and put that value in another variable. This was your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. We will take 3 common, so it will be 3a plus b is equals to minus 30. 3a plus b मल्टीप्लिकेशन में इक्वल्स के उधर जाएगा तो डिवाइड में you will get minus 10. So 3a plus b is equals to minus 10. b is equals to minus 10 minus 3a. Value of b will be minus 10 minus 3a. We will put the value of b in equation first here. So it will be 14 plus 4a plus 2. b is minus 10 minus 3a. It is equals to 0. 4a equals to minus 4a minus 6a is minus 2a. minus 40 plus 20 माइनस का 20 इक्वल्स हो जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा प्लस 6 minus 2a. a is equals to 6 upon 2 is equals to 3 minus 1. Value of a is minus 3. Put the value of a in this equation. Minus 3. b is equals to minus 10 minus 3 into minus 3 is minus 1. This is your answer. A is minus 3 and B is minus 1. Question 22. If both x minus 2 and x minus 1 upon 2 are factors of this expression, then you have to prove that P is equals to R. They both are factor of this means कि हम इसको gx मान के first gx से x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, इस एक्सप्रेशन में रखेंगे, that will be equal to 0. फिर सेम रिपीट करेंगे इस मैथ्स के लिए एंड विल पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशन इज इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड देन वी विल कंपेयर बोथ इक्वेशन जस्ट लाइक वी डिड इट इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. So first gx is x minus 2 को 0 रखेंगे, x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, एक्सप्रेशन में रखेंगे, its value will be 0. It is given using factor theorem. Okay, it is given it is a factor of this expression, which is equals to 4p plus 10 plus r is equals to 0. This is your equation number 1. 4p plus 10 plus r is equals to 0. Equation 1. And another gx is given, that is x minus 2. So we will write it equal to 0 and find the value of x using factor theorem. And that is your, this is your expression. We will find p 1 upon 2. So it will be 1 upon 4p plus 5 upon 2 plus r is equals to 0. This equation is also equals to 0 and this equation is also equals to 0. This is your equation number 2. So we will compare equation 1 and 2. On comparing, p plus 10 plus r is equals to 1 upon 4 p plus 5 upon 2 plus r. So दोनों तरफ आ रहा है तो it will be cancelled with each other. वेरिएबल और कॉन्स्टेंट्स को सेग्रीगेट करेंगे, you will get 4p minus 1 upon 4p प्लस का इक्वल्स किधर आएगा तो माइनस प्लस 5 upon 2 minus 10. Here you will get, after taking LCM, 15 upon 4p, 4 4s are 16, 16 minus 1 is 15 upon 4p, it is equals to, take LCM also, minus 20 upon 2. 15 upon 4p is equals to minus 15 upon 2. You will get minus 2 as p. Value of p is minus 2. We will put it in equation 1. चाहे 1 में रख लीजिए चाहे 2 में रख लीजिए, the answer will be the same. Put p is equals to minus 2 in equation 1. 4 minus 2 plus 10 plus r is equals to 0, minus 8 plus 10 plus r is equals to 0, r is equals to plus 2 equals किधर आएगा तो minus 2. r की वैल्यू भी minus 2 है, p की वैल्यू भी minus 2 है, तो p is equals to r. Hence, so today we have learnt about factor theorem, solved all the questions related with factor theorem from exercise 2D, and in next lecture we will start with the new chapter, that is chapter 14. Thank you.